8 human skills that could survive the AI job takeover. GoHumanize, a US-based AI company, says some human skills will remain vital despite AI changes. They predict leadership, teamwork, negotiation, and emotional intelligence are unlikely to be replaced in the next 10 years. Their report estimates around 25% of jobs may be replaced by automation in the next decade. AI can code, analyze data, and create content, but it struggles with human emotions and judgment. Emotional intelligence remains crucial because AI cannot truly feel empathy or resolve conflicts like humans do. Critical thinking is still needed since humans interpret complex situations and make careful decisions beyond pattern matching. Communication skills will grow in importance as automation increases, because people must explain ideas and persuade others. AI can assist with communication, but human interaction remains essential for teamwork and business decisions. Leadership is a future-safe skill because AI cannot inspire, motivate, or resolve complex conflicts in the same way. Collaboration and teamwork are highly valued across industries and go beyond merely finishing tasks together. Negotiation remains important since AI may only handle about 47% of negotiation work according to the study. Coaching and mentoring are hard for AI to replace because they require understanding emotions and real-life challenges. Public speaking is still a safe skill as AI struggles to replicate human confidence and personal connection on stage. Technical knowledge remains useful, but combining it with communication, leadership, empathy, and decision-making will be most valuable.